guys, welcome back to my channel, Beautybymegan. So I'm just going to say I apologize, there was no video last week. My son got sick, I got sick, everyone was sick. I just had no energy to sit down, film, and edit a video. But we're here today and we're going to do a very good video because not only do I have my Boxy Luxe sitting here, but I also have the Boxy Premium. So if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell if you want to be notified for future videos, and please leave some comments about what you want to see, because I'm not very creative. So yeah, let's get on with this video. So in the Boxy Luxe this month, I am super excited because, let me get the card out. They actually put these in there this month. We have, starting off, which, as you already know, I forgot about this, but I already have my face on. I did my brows. I'll link everything that I used on my face down below. But in the Boxy Premium, we have the Murad-Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. This retails for $70, you guys. That's expensive and normally not something I would buy myself, so I'm super excited to give this a try. But it deeply quenches the delicate eye area with the nourishing cream. It's a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract, seal in moisture, helping to reduce appearance, fine lines, wrinkles, and restore smoothness. I apologize, I can't see, like, I don't have my glasses on and I can't see. But anything that's going to deeply hydrate my eyes and help wrinkles, I will give it a try. So yeah, I cannot wait to start using that. Now the next product that I have in here that's super big, I've actually already used this and opened it and used it last night and this morning, and I love this. This is amazing. This is the PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. With over 7,000 vibrations per minute, our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for more youthful appearances. Like, you guys, the vibration in this is strong, and at first when I turned it on, I'm like, oh my god, I'm not going to like using that on my face, but it is so relaxing to use it to, like, massage in your serums and stuff. I really like this, and this retails for $99, so we're way over what I paid for this box. Like, it's crazy. So the next thing that I see in here and smell is the Spongelle Body Wash Infused Buffer. What is the scent? Does it say? Anyways, this retails for $16. It's good for up to 14 washes. Honestly, I'm not a fan of these because I don't really feel like that they are hygienic. Like, I feel like bacteria would get caught in these, and I'm not a fan of them, so I'm actually going to pass this along. But it does smell really good, and it's $16. It doesn't smell good, but I think it'd make a really cute gift for someone, but that's not my kind of thing. So I'm going to lose my voice. I apologize. I am still getting over this cold, and the pollen and controlled burns have been crazy, so my throat's super irritated. So I apologize if I start to lose my voice. But the next thing on here retails for $15, and this is the Sol de Janeiro's Coco Cabana cream and the Bum Bum cream. I love the Bum Bum cream. This one smells amazing. This one smells like popcorn to me. I don't know why. I don't like this one, so this one I'll pass along to someone. This one I love. I still have a little jar like this in my bathroom, and it just smells delicious. I cannot wait to use some more of it. So, if you haven't figured, I had already opened my box to see what was in here, but I forgot what was in my box at the same time. But this is the Appeal Cosmetic Gel Liner. Retails for $21? This retails for $21? Oh my god, that's pricey for a lip liner. But it is super smooth. It is a color I would wear constantly because it's in the color Naked. So the next thing we got in here, I don't like this color, so I'm not going to try it on. I'm going to pass it. I literally opened it, looked at the color, and I was like, no, not for me. But this is the Nars Powermatte Lip Pigment. But I was really disappointed that I got like this dark kind of chocolate color, because I was really excited to try this when I saw it, but this color, it's not going to work for me, and I know it won't because I am very pale. Alright, so the next thing that we also got is the
A few moments later.
This is the Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow. This retails for $40. $40 for an eyeliner, pretty much. Like, who would pay $40 for pretty much eyeliner? You guys. Okay, they are very smooth. Don't get me wrong, and pigmented, but nothing, I guess. Now this I am excited about because this is the Boxy Charm. Let's just retail for you. This is the Boxy Charm Hello Chaarmer palette, and this retails for $39. And the colors in this is actually very pretty. Now we have this one. This one, I mean, I like Fenty products, but some of this stuff I'm not even going to open. I'm going to pass along because it's not going to work for my skin tone. Like this is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter and Trophy Wipe. This retails for $36, and I'm really sad that it's as golden as it is because it's not going to work for my skin tone. So I am going to pass this along. The little Invisimatte blotting paper retails for $16. I have dry skin. I really don't get much oil on my skin, so I'm going to pass that along too to someone. But it is a very cool product, especially if you get oily throughout the day. This, I don't know if I'm going to pass this along. This is the Matchstick, and this is in the color Blonde. Can't figure out how to open it. Give me 1 second. It looks like this. I don't know if I want to keep it. This, however, oh, and that Matchstick thing was $25. But this is the Gloss Bomb Universal Lip Luminizer. Retails for $19. And this is in Diamond Milk. And this is the prettiest shade, I think. Like, that's beautiful. I cannot wait to put this on my lips. And it smells so good. Now I see what people are talking about with her lip balms because this smells really good. And I cannot wait to try it. Along with this lipstick, surprisingly, I'm just going to go ahead and move this out of the way. Surprisingly, I didn't like the Nars lip color at all. But I really like the Fenty one, which is surprising because it is like a bright fuchsia pink, and normally I would not wear something like that, but I'm going to today. We're going to try it today. And I thought about passing along the palette. Oh, and that lipstick retails for $18. And this eyeshadow palette retails for $29. And $29, that seems cheap. I feel like this used to be more expensive than $29. But anyways, throw the box over there. I gotta clean this room when I'm done. It looks like this. And at first, I was not wowed by this at all until I swatched the Shimmer shade. And no, I gotta keep it. It's a pretty palette. So let's stop talking and let's put some of these eyeshadows on my eyes. You guys, please don't bust me on my plastic bottle. It was hard enough to find water right now. So yeah, let's get into this eye look. We are going to start with the shades Cup of Joe here. I don't know why, it's just super cute, super matte color. And I'm going to put it on this Morphe brush and fluff it into my crease. A lot of fallout. Nothing that concerns me. Alright, so I don't know when my camera cut off, but I had finished my eyes using mostly the Moroccan palette, and now I'm going to dip into this shade right here. Actually, I like it. Like, that's very bright in your face, but for summer and spring, I really do like that. And for this, I'm excited about this. Oh, that's actually very pretty. Yep, I like this. And I see why everyone loves these. Alright, you guys, so that's the finish. I look using mostly the Fenty Beauty palette. I apologize about that. I will do a specific video using this palette one day. So, yeah. I feel like there's a little bit more misses in this month's boxes, but I still think Boxycharm is pretty worth it because you get to try new stuff. Obviously, I got to try some more Fenty products, such as the Gloss Bomb and everything. And I've had a lot of hits with stuff I've tried. I've had a lot of misses, so Boxycharm to me is worth it if you don't want to spend a lot of money on products, but you want to try new products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll try to get better about uploading more. If you guys like these videos, again, subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, show some support in the comments, give me ideas of what to do, and I will see you guys in my next video.